How to find the last true position of the group starting from the first position to be true faster. I have a data frame, and the demo is generated by generate_data. If the first value in the data column is false, return 0. If the first value of the data column is true, return the order of the last position of consecutive true. I wrote two methods, sort_data, and sort_data2. Is there a faster way? My code is as follows. The result I respected is
Use number for processing values to first trues block. Inspiration by this solution.
Maybe I am missing something, but why don't you just get the index of the first false in df.data, then use that index to get the value in the df.order column? For example. Or for really large data, number pi might be faster. The timing on my device.
If you want to support